So I just went and got 2 new pulleys, 2 new spindles. These ones actually got grease nipples on them. Nuts aren't included, but I'll reuse them off that. So the 2 pulleys comes to, it was 280. 2 pulleys, 2 spindles, and I just grabbed a couple of the fuel primer bulbs. So thinking with these, what I might actually do is drill out those rivets and get tensile bolts, tensile nylocks, and because I thought that you could press them out, but you can't. So it's made in 2 halves and then riveted together. So thinking if I drill out the rivets, split the pulley in half, get the bearing out, because there's actually a part number on there. Get the 2 bearings, handful of tensile bolts and nuts, and that way I've got spares, and I'll do the same with the old one, like do it with the old ones, and then I've got spare pulleys. So that's just one idea I was thinking about. I was actually lucky because I only had 3 in stock, so I got 2 of them, and last 2 of these in stock, so I was kind of lucky today. But yeah, it's bloody expensive for what they are, because online could have gotten the 2 spindles from about 143 onwards, but it would have taken a week to get here, so yeah, it kept me busy for the day. And get on and do this repairs for this. Clean that back, both sides, and heat her up, knock it back into place, weld it, plate it. I actually noticed this too last night. That weld's all separated, there's no penetration to it really, so you can actually see daylight through it at some angles. And I don't know if I'll get to it today, but so I got the fuel bowl for this. See that or not? Yeah, the bulbs all buggered, so it's the one the father-in-law gave me. So yeah, bit to do today. Don't know if I'll get it all done today. Got to do a bit of house cleaning and sort the stuff out as kids go back to school this week. I'll put a picture up of that. It's got a part number on it and every machine that it suits, so put a photo up on the end of the video. Might be helpful for somebody. I managed to fix that. Heated this whole area up and till it was cherry red, and just belted the back flat, ran a bead there. So it's a lot more flatter now. Whereas previously this end was on a bit of an angle. It's probably 5-6 mil high. So I fixed that. Where else? And a couple more beads here. The same on the other side, they were both cracked. Fix that crack up there. And then, yeah, just sort of ran 2 beads. Weld that crack shut again. Thinking I might just leave it how it is, I'm not going to grind it back. Fix Another crack there. So yes, any cracks on the bloody thing. I'm actually thinking maybe, depending on how much tax I get, I might replace that with the, I think it's 5 or 6 mil fabricated deck. Proper welded one, thick steel. It's a bit heavier, but this is probably the third time I've had to repair cracks and stuff on it, so it's just not, like even here, it's pushed now, it's cracking. I might even do that next time. It's like the welds they're not full thickness, like they haven't penetrated properly. I don't know. This is cheap shit, really. So they put the grease nipples in, they're just to press in, but they leave the inner seals on. So no matter how much grease you pumped in, it was never going to get past these seals. So I've just knocked one of the bearings out. I've taken one of the seals out. I'll do this one, put it back together, pump it full of grease. So you can sort of see with that bearing spacer, it actually creates a channel for the grease to stay in. So you just pump it up till the pump goes, firms up. That's full of grease. Well, the entire deck is pretty well rebuilt. New pulleys, new spindles. I've remounted these on roofing tech screw rubbers, and just put a bit of Loctite on the bolts. One thing I did notice, I'm probably going to have to order, is the spring is nearly clean wore through that, so I might just probably going to have to order at least this side before I could probably tack weld that shut and reinforce it or something, but I don't know. So yeah, that's all done. And blades fitted. I don't know how these brass grease nipples are going to go. I do have my concerns, and I've got to be quite as strong as the stainless steel ones I've got here. I mean, if they end up getting too damaged, I'll pry them out, tap the thread, and put stainless steel ones in. So yeah, that's job done for that.